Hi, this is Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another product. This is the Tapplock 1. It's the world's first smart fingerprint padlock. Whoa. The Tapplock 1 you can find at Tapplock.com, and this thing is pretty mind-blowing and good looking as well. It's got a state-of-the-art capacitive fingerprint sensor that allows unlocking in under 0.8 seconds. It stores up to 500 fingerprints for multiple users. Oh my gosh. And it's got an adaptive algorithm, which means the lock becomes faster and more accurate each time you access it. I guess every time it just gets a better hold of your fingerprint. Unbreakable design. This is forged with Zamac 3 zinc alloy metal body and a 7mm reinforced stainless steel shackle. It's double strength by double layered lock design and anti-shim, anti-pry technologies. The lock also features unparalleled industry design finished with electroplating. So how about that? You can also share access to this with the app that you can download. It works over Bluetooth, and you can have unlimited users. You can set permanent access or limited access, flexible dates and time, and feel free to revoke access when you want. You can track and monitor access history with time, date, and location from the Tapplock app. Pretty cool that way. Really neat. It's water and weather resistant, so you can put this baby outside with an IP66 rating. Rainproof, rust-proof, and it's fully functional between 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 ways to unlock it. You can use fingerprint unlocking, Bluetooth unlocking using your phone in the app, or you can use backup Morse code unlocking by pressing short and long-term combinations on the power button. Isn't that wild? Cutting-edge fingerprint technology, shareable wireless access, unbreakable durability, and a rechargeable battery. They say here the battery life per 2 hours of charge time should give you about 3,500 unlocks per charge. Wow, that's pretty awesome. You can just charge it and forget about it. Pretty cool that way. I was super impressed with the lock, and the app's pretty awesome as well. Geez, being able to tap on it for Morse code, that's even more crazy. That just blew my mind when I read it, saw it, and everything else. Highly recommend this product. I think this is an awesome product. Geez, wow, you just put your fingerprint on it, and away you go. And of course, you can control access, and wow, it holds so many fingerprints. The little thing is literally the most smartest padlock in the world. So, be sure to check it out. You go to Tapplock.com and check out the Tapplock 1, world's first smart fingerprint padlock, and thanks for tuning in. Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Gotta find out what's in the box.